Today, my daddy bought L.O.L's, and he's gonna help me open them. So let's get one. Let's get this one first.
We have all the L.O.Ls.
We have all the L.O.L. We bought it from Walmart, Target, and then we came back home and we fell asleep. And then in the morning we had a video. She was opening.
This is a lot of L.O.Ls. Wow.
This says.
I still like the claw machine though. Okay. Let me see. Is this the one that came out here? Is this the new one?
Snowflake and a bunny.
Is this the new one?
Yeah. Snowflake and a bunny. That means a snow and a bunny.
Let's see if I can focus in on it. Make sure everybody can see this. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Snow and a bunny.
Okay. All right. Get to it. Oh, those are some cool glasses right there.
When you look at Christmas lights, they put reindeers, and I see reindeers. They're right there.
Cool. Can I check those out?
Yeah.
Let's see here. We have a Christmas tree.
Ooh, there's more.
And we have
Collar
reindeer.
E, collar E, collar V.
You get the
collar
picture.
E,
It's pretty cool though.
collar E.
Here you go.
Daddy, look, there's more.
Let me see.
Look. Let's see what the rest is.
Huh?
There's more. Look.
That's too much.
No, there's more things right on here. They're codes. More codes.
More codes on there?
Mhm.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Positive.
Yeah. It says collar E, collar V, collar E.
Let me see.
Collar E.
Okay, cool. This whole thing is what?
L.O.L.
Yes. Everything here is L.O.L. That's a good thing. You got it. You even got the poop slime. I like that. You should. Look what the wind blew in. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Whoa, another one.
What? Let me see. You got another magnifying glass? The prince has awakened.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And he brought Star Wars.
We're gonna open this one.
Jay, say hi. Papa, say hi.
Hi.
Everybody's waving at Jay Jr. Ooh. What do you got there?
First, let's see who the L.O.L. is.
Hey, Jay, what do you got there?
On my foot.
Jay, what do you got there? That's Star Wars?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh,
Let me help you? Let me see. I'll help you. I'll help you. Can I play with it? Huh?
Our friends want to see what the L.O.L. is. L.O.L. is this.
Let's see what you have.
The left L.O.L. is Bunny Rabbit. Bunny Rabbit?
Let me see. Oh, she's pretty.
So let's put her right there.
But she's still ugly though.
Daddy, don't think my L.O.Ls are ugly.
Why not?
Because I might call you ugly.
Really?
Yeah.
You trade your back on me for plastic? Or turn your back on me?
Here's a little milk bottle.
Let me see.
She has another sister. Oh, she has another one.
Kicker.
Jay! No, don't do that. Why did he pull out a gun?
You left one of those guns downstairs.
Oh.
And, no. Look, you look in your toolbox, and all your guns are in there.
Oh.
Daddy put them all in there. Back to the L.O.Ls. Oh, you get kinetic sand in there too?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, man. No more kinetic sand. I'm tired of kinetic sand.
Why?
Because
It gets all over the floor.
no. It doesn't get all over the floor. You put it all over the floor. That's what happens. See, you give it to her. Coco gets it. Your brother gets it.
Thank you.
Whoa, another L.O.L?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I came out of nowhere.
Here. This is what? L.O.L.
Kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand. Why do they put this in there?
I don't know.
Oh, these are the pets though, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Because pets need some sand so they can...
You have a pet. Look at this. You have a Yorkie poop.
They need
Coco.
some sand so they can poop and pee in.
Coco. And you have another pet. Chico.
Put all the trash over here.
Chico.
We don't need this trash.
Yeah.
Go bye-bye.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, though, it's not like you're actually going to put it in the garbage, though. You're not. You're going to leave it there for me to pick up later on. That's the only thing that's going to happen.
We don't need that nasty trash. Because trash is disgusting.
Here.
Disgusting.
Well, peoples, the kinetic sand is open. Wait, let me see. Wow. Got footprints on there. What kind of animal is that? Huh? What kind of animal made footprints like this?
Dogs.
Coco?
Yeah.
You been walking through the kinetic sand?
Coco, why you been walking in the kinetic sand?
Yep. You know how many L.O.Ls you got to open up in here?
What? 1,000?
That's a lot. That's too many.
You guys want to open the clothes after we open all these pet L.O.Ls?
Sure. We're going to use Star Wars and kick them. Right, Papa?
They're supposed to have guns.
Yeah, go look in your toy box. I told you, they're right there in your toy box. Look at the bottom of your toy box.
I think I have scissors. I know where it is. Don't break your teeth.
Right where you got those from. Go look right there. They're in the bottom of it.
Oh.
Look in the same one. Your Star Wars, they're right there, okay?
Aww.
What? What?
This. I got the Star Wars cape.
Oh, that's a leash?
Yeah, I got a Star Wars cape.
You did? Yeah, it goes on one of these guys. I think it goes on him.
Oh.
This guy.
Yeah, his head is broken.
Let me see. Let me see.
I couldn't take it.
Move your finger. I can't see. Your finger. There we go. You can't take it off? Jay, you broke his neck. Let's see.
And we got the directions. But it kind of has Chinese words right
I feel better, so much better. Thank you, Doc,
Well,
for
this
taking
is
all
a lot
my
of Chinese
allergies away. You're welcome.
Daddy, look, there's Chinese speaking.
The instructions are in Chinese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need that.
Okay, so we have an LOL in here. She's okay, I guess. That's pretty unique color though. I give her that much. Got the sand.
Oh.
I guess she can poop in here. And what else? We got Star Wars. They're guarding them.
Play with my Jill.
Oh, that is right, huh? Now, up above the claw machine, we
Don't play
have.
with it on my desk.
What's this? L.O.L. It says 3 surprises. You get the magnifying glass, the closed shoes, and something weird.
Slime, gel.
Ooh. Let's see here. It's called L.O.L. Fashion Crush.
Whoa. Don't do that, Shay.
There you go.
Excuse me, JJ.
Yes.
The plastic.
Well, Jay Jr., you want to tear the paper off of here?
You can tear it off.
Hmm?
You can tear it off. You can be my video.
What did you bite? Paper or plastic? Jay, you're crazy, man. There you go. Take this. Ouch. Oh, gosh. What'd you bite, Jay? I don't get it.
No, that was my teeth.
Oh, be careful, all right?
Okay. Yeah, my tongue was.
Oh, gosh.
My tongue was.
Okay. Here we are. This is a fashion crush. A fashion crush. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Got another magnifying glass. Got 1, 2, 3. I think.
Boom. Get this. Boom. Get this. Like this. Boom.
You gotta be over here. I'll be over here.
Take this. That's what you get. That's pretty much it.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay, Jay. Jay, pick up the
That's
magnifying
another
glass.
magnifying glass?
Wait, let him see. Well, you can use this one right here, Papa. Here you go. Take this and look through it. What's on there? You should see something, right? Let's see. You see anything?
Yeah.
I see like a hat.
Whoa!
What?
How am I getting these L.O.Ls?
Let me see.
Got a skunk.
Whoa.
A beautiful
Let me
black,
see.
purple
Hold it up.
hair skunk.
Turn around, hold her up.
What in the
She's ugly.
skunk?
She looks nice though, but she's still ugly. I mean, skunks.
Ooh, Daddy, stop saying my elbows are ugly.
It's a skunk, Kayla. Jay, he found it. Yeah, Jay. Now, okay, you popped it open? Now, it's gel in there, right, Papa? Jay, you have to dig your fingers in there and pull it out.
You feel it?
Yeah, keep it all up there, though, okay? Oh, Daddy's not trying to have this skunk come again. Here, I'll help you. God. That's the shovel. That's to get up the poop. Is that Dookie I smell?
A McDonald's shirt.
Yeah. So let me see, Jay. Hold it up. MVP. It says MVP.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow. And you got more kinetic sand. Papa, kinetic sand. You like kinetic sand? You want kinetic sand?
Yeah.
Can Jay Jr. have a kinetic sand?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Oh gosh. Whoa. How did that Hatchimal get right there? She wasn't there early.
How?
I don't know.
Baby, it moved?
Maybe. I don't know. That's scary though. Oh. Hey, this is big. Cool.
Daddy, baby, when I was sleeping, it came up here and it went right there.
I don't trust that thing. Oh man.
I don't trust that
It's
thing
too
either.
big. It's too big.
So now I'm opening the angel. So let's open this. Sparkly, shiny, L.O.L.
Oh baby, we found love. Oh crap. It's stuck. Sorry. Don't drop the LOLs. Don't drop the LOL. Don't drop the LOL, but I can't feel the button. I can't feel the button. Oh, okay. What are you looking at, punk? Well, you thought I was gonna drop it? Huh? She thought I was gonna drop it, Jay. Need me to help you, Papa?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You open up the kinetic sand. We're not playing with girl toys. We're just playing with kinetic sand. Right, Jay?
Yeah.
That's right. We don't like LOLs, right? Because we're big boys, right, Jay? Now that we're men?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, Daddy, remember he said underpants? I like that part. I like the underpants. Underpants? Yeah.
Wait. We got the sand. We got the sand.
Hey, Jay, why are you playing the pink one?
Yeah, get the blue one, Papa. Daddy gave you the blue one. That's the masculine color. Put the pink one right here. Yeah, this is yours. Right here. Look. Here.
It's because he likes pink.
Hey, be careful, okay? Please. Yeah, don't pull that, Jay. You'll pull the food down. You're bad. Do you want the kinetic sand? Then get it then. Go ahead.
What the heck?
Gosh.
You're so mean.
I ain't got no money. Jay,
It says
do you have a coin?
light bulb music dance. Light bulb music dance.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. You need to learn how to be still. Okay. Okay, I guess that's pretty cool. I guess.
Light bulb music dance.
I'm gonna try to manipulate the system. Okay, watch this.
Ooh, gel.
Thank you, LOL. Ah, crap, it didn't work.
You gotta use it.
I got it.
Yeah, you start doing that in our video.
Sorry.
L.O.L.
Sorry. I'll turn it off. Oh, gosh. I can't get it to turn off. Just have to let it play like this. Can't hurt. That's a black one?
Yeah.
Oh my God, man.
I got a coin.
Thank you so much, son. I did it. Thank you.
Dang, you're mean.
No, I'm not mean.
Yes, sir.
Jay, look, it's footprints from a ghost.
from a toe?
Yes, Jay. Those are ghost footprints. There was a ghost dog here. Ghost dog?
Look at these fancy clothes.
Let me see.
I know who this is. I know who this is. This is my favorite girl, and I watched it on YouTube.
Hey, that is a nice outfit, though. I give him that with a matching water bottle. Who wouldn't like an outfit with a matching water bottle? I'll help you. Oh, she got it. Let me see. 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 Gosh, yo, ain't gone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Set her down up there so I can see. Yeah.
We don't want to see the back because does it have any clothes? You want to see her put the clothes on? What is it?
You mean her booty?
Whoa!
Just put it. Let me see. You took that? Oh, it's a backpack. Let me see.
Let me see. Cool.
It's a backpack.
Let me hold it out.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, gotcha. It's a backpack.
A backpack?
Yeah, it's a backpack.
Yeah. Can I have it?
No.
Daddy, it's my stuff.
Go ahead there.
You bought.
Look at
LOLs
all
are for
these.
girl.
Look at all these LOLs, though, Kayla. This isn't even your Christmas present. It's too much.
Whoa, that's too much thing.
Yeah.
So after my brother's gonna open those, I'm gonna open those and these.
Excuse me?
And I'm gonna open this one.
What?
Okay. I'm gonna open this one.
You opened your Star Wars last night.
Why?
Because I said so. Need help? What's all this stuff here? You done with this?
Yep.
I guess this stuff here. Well, there's something inside of here. What's this little pack right here? There you go.
There's a lot of them inside.
Let's see what's in here. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Got some pretty cool shoes. Those look like the shoes that you have, actually. You really do have. Can't you keep these containers right here? Because you can set them right here. This is where their little feet go, right?